Here we have a project that has low slope roofs. As you see, one here has just 4 slopes going to a double roof drain, and that's the way that we want it to be modeled. Here we have almost the same configuration, but there's a ton of slope lines coming from every point. Now, the way this happens is you trace the roof profile where you want to do your low slope roof, and you have kind of this tortured profile. Then you go to modify the roof and you hit modify sub-elements. You place this point down in the middle and you give it a negative slope, or sorry, a negative elevation, and then it just projects from every single point. The problem is, well, first of all, the insulation has variable thickness checked in the family type, which is right. That's what allows you to do this method. Over here, however, the roof boundary is just modeled as the largest rectangle. And so it only has 4 points to pull the slope lines from. Then the edges are cut out using this tool, vertical opening. So I'm going to fix this one. So this roof here, I'm going to edit the footprint, and I'm going to take out all the inner lines, and I'm going to simplify it to a rectangle. Hit the check mark. I don't want to attach all the walls to the bottom. Now you see it fixed all the slope lines. The only problem is now my parapet walls are all jacked up. So what you need to do is go to Architecture, Vertical Opening, click the roof boundary you want, and then trace. Now, what it's going to do is anything inside this boundary is going to get cut out of the roof. So you want to be very selective, or very careful to make one loop. You can't make 2. So I'm going to do this. I guess it stops right there. Come back out here, and anything outside this boundary, or within this boundary, is going to be cut out. And that's how you get a roof with nice slope lines. A low slope roof with nice slope lines.